Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a slide or a PowerPoint file into a video. So I have a example file over here, and the tool I use today is video again. Video can help you create video AI video in about under 10 minutes, I think. So I will leave the link below if you want to try it out. You can create a 1 or 2 video for free. Okay, I am in video game dashboard over here and click on slide to video. Here, upload your file. And video game will read your file and break it down into scenes. It might take a while, so hang on tight, everyone. Okay, so after a while, so here the scene that the video game had broken down into about 20 slides over here. And you can add your narration here, or click on write narration, and video game will write automatically write the narration for you. Okay, so here is the narration explainer. Okay, before click on generate video, you can turn on background music, caption or transitions, and if you have a logo, you can add your logo over here. Okay, click on generate video. Okay, let's take a look.
Homer's ancient epic about one man's extraordinary struggle to find his way home. It's a story of monsters, magic, temptation, and the unbreakable will to survive. We'll start with an introduction to Homer and his world, then follow Odysseus through his greatest adventures, and finally explore the themes and legacy that have made this story resonate for nearly 3,000 years. Before we dive into the story itself, let's set the stage. The Odyssey opens not at the beginning of the journey, but years into it, with a hero lost at sea and a world waiting for his return. The Odyssey was composed by Homer, an ancient Greek poet who also gave us the... Whether Homer was a single person or a tradition of storytellers, his works became the foundation of Western literature and have shaped how we tell stories ever since. The story follows Odysseus, king of Ithaca, on his 10-year journey home after the Trojan War. Along the way, he loses every one of his crewmen, while back in Ithaca, his faithful wife Penelope fends off a crowd of arrogant suitors who assume her husband is dead. Odysseus is no simple hero. He's clever, contradictory, and deeply human. Favored by the goddess Athena, tormented by the god Poseidon, and driven above all else by one burning desire: to get home. Before we dive into the journey itself, let's meet the keepers. Penelope is Odysseus's devoted wife back in Ithaca, holding the household together against a crowd of pushy suitors. Telemachus is their son, a young prince struggling to find his footing while his father is away. Athena, goddess of wisdom, becomes Odysseus's greatest divine ally, guiding and protecting him throughout his travels. And then there's Poseidon, god of the sea, furious at Odysseus and deeply human. Strength, but for his cunning, the kind of man who wins wars with his mind as much as his sword. When Troy finally fell, Odysseus should have been heading straight home to Ithaca. Instead, his troubles were only just beginning. It was Odysseus himself who devised the trick that ended the Trojan War. He proposed building an enormous wooden horse and hiding a squad of Greek warriors inside. The Trojans, believing it was a sacred offering,
Okay. So after that you can share the video here, so you can create and view a slide for free, but if you want to download it you have to get the video game pro, so that's the downside of it. Okay, so if you want to edit the video you can click on edit over here and re-upload the file, replay the file, and a lot of things over here. So overall I think it's pretty good. Okay, I will leave the link below if you want to try it out. Thank you.